We've developed a tool called a COVID cleaning capacity assessment, which asks a few simple questions. It starts by asking what your pre-COVID cleaning requirement or budget was in terms of people. And it also asks how many shifts of people that you have working those time frames. And then we also ask you to make an estimate of the amount of incremental cleaning that's required due to COVID. That cleaning typically takes place in high touch areas and in high density areas. So to come up with an estimate for the incremental weekly hours. And then an important and final question has to do with reoccupancy plans. And what is the forecast over the next 6 months for reoccupancy? In most cases, that reoccupancy plan is a staged plan. And so with the answers to those 5 questions, we can make an evaluation as to what the cleaning capacity is. And one of the things that we've done in order to talk with people about this and to explain that we think it's universally applicable is we've taken a look at a few basic use cases. There's a base use case where we examine what we think of as a more normal or natural return to work plan. Based on that use case, there was typically 30 to 35% excess capacity, and that excess capacity made room for the cleaning that could take place, the incremental cleaning for COVID with no increase in budget. A second use case was a much more aggressive return to work plan. And even under that scenario, there was still 5 to 10% of additional capacity left over after incremental cleaning. And by not having to clean certain space or clean some space less than others, that provides you with an opportunity to redeploy those resources into areas that allow you to deliver a clean and a safe environment and to build the trust and visibility that's required to have a good office environment. We found that our clients and prospects have found it interesting to be able to take this assessment. They do that by letting us know that that's something they're interested in, come to our website, leave a request for that, and we provide them with the questions. They respond to those questions, and we give them a detailed response after validating their data.